Scene. Alex and Mia are sitting on the couch, looking around the messy living room. They plan to do a big cleanup. Alex, look at this place. It's a mess. We really need to clean up.
Yeah, you're right. There's dust everywhere and the floor looks dirty.
Let's do a deep clean today. We can vacuum the carpet, mop the floor, and wipe the windows.
That sounds like a lot of work. Can't we just clean a little bit?
No way. If we clean everything today, we won't have to do it again for a while.
All right. Where do we start?
Mia stands up and stretches. Okay, let's divide the work. I'll clean the kitchen, and you can clean the living room.
Hmm, cleaning the living room sounds easy. I'll just put things away and relax.
No way. You need to vacuum the carpet, dust the shelves, and wipe the coffee table.
That's a lot. Do I have to?
Of course. I'll be busy cleaning the kitchen.
Fine. Where's the vacuum cleaner?
It's in the closet. And don't forget to empty the trash can when you're done.
Got it. Alex takes the vacuum cleaner and turns it on. Whoa! This vacuum cleaner is powerful. It's picking up everything.
Mia is in the kitchen, wiping the counter. Good. Make sure you get under the sofa too.
Under the sofa? That's too much work.
Stop complaining and do it properly.
Alex bends down and vacuums under the sofa. Ooh, there's so much dust here.
See? That's why we need to clean regularly.
Fine. I'll do it.
Mia finishes the kitchen and comes to check on Alex. Are you done?
Almost. Just need to wipe the coffee table.
Don't forget the bookshelves. There's dust there too.
Oh man, this is never ending. Alex finishes cleaning the living room and stretches. Phew, that was tiring.
Good job. Now, can you take out the trash?
But I already did so much.
It's the last step.
Okay, where's the trash bag?
It's by the door. Just take it outside to the big trash can.
Alex picks up the trash bag and walks to the door. Ugh, this bag is heavy.
Stop being dramatic. Just take it out.
Fine, I'll be right back. Alex takes out the trash and returns.
Mia looks around the house. Wow, the house looks so much better now.
Yeah, it does. But cleaning is so tiring.
I know, but it's worth it. Now we can relax in a clean home.
Can we watch a movie now?
Sure, but next week we'll clean again.
Oh no, not again.
Ha ha ha, don't worry. Next time we'll do it together again.
Fine. But next time, you take out the trash.